This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great and hope you had a great week this past week. The market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for USD CAD, USD Swiss franc, and USD JPY. So I'll be starting off with USD CAD, and I'll be starting off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that price has strongly broken out of this resistance area. As you can see, it was tested multiple times, up to 6 times, and on the 7th time, price broke out strongly and closed above it. And this is the first time since December of 2020. So from this is very strong indication that price most likely would continue to the upside. It could be a retracement down back to the 1.293 area before price continues, but I reckon that definitely price would continue to the top, and then this breakout is something very significant. If we go to the daily time frame, we'll be able to see that so price is broken out and now got into this previous high here. Initially we can tell that this was a fake out from the weekly time frame, and but with this in this week or this past week, this wasn't a fake out, as price clearly broke out of it and closed above this resistance area. So to trade this, we'll be waiting to see how price reacts to this previous high here. I'm waiting for price to break above that as well. Before that happened, there could be a retracement back down to this support area or resistance on support, and then price moves to the top. So if that happens, if there's a retracement back here and price gives us a bullish reversal pattern here, we can either trade from there. If not, we can wait for price to break this previous high here when price goes up and then comes back to retest and gives us a bullish signal. Then we can take our buy trades all the way to the top. But generally speaking, for USD CAD, I am bullish. And if we go down to the 4-hour time frame as well, you can see what I'm talking about. That we have to wait to see if price would break this previous high, and if not, price could retrace back down to this area before coming to break this previous high here and then continue to the top. But like I said, generally speaking, I am bullish on USD CAD, and I personally would wait for this high to break before I enter any sort of buy trades. But like I said, from the weekly time frame, given the fact that this previous resistance area has been broken quite strongly, then I'll be looking to take my buy trades all the way to the top. So that's my analysis for USD CAD. Now next, I'm going to look at USD Swiss franc. And with USD Swiss franc, again from the weekly time frame, we can see what's happening there. That price has come back to test this previous high around the 1.005 area, and then quickly rejected off it as well all the way to the downside, forming this sort of double top pattern. And so what's going to happen is I'm going to wait for price to get all the way down to this support level, and then see what happens when price gets to support level. If you're not able to capitalize on this trade, no worries. When price gets to support, we'll get some more opportunities there as well. If we go to the daily time frame, we'll be able to see the double top pattern clearly. And as we can see, price moving all the way to this resistance area at 1.005 area, retraced down, got back up to that area again, and then price bouncing to the downside and expecting price to get all the way to that level before making any sort of judgment from there. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, again, I'm not going to do anything drastic. I'm just going to wait patiently for price to get down to support area around the 0.955 area. So once price gets down here, then I would look for price reaction. So if price gives us a bullish signal from here, then I'll take my buy trade. But if price breaks this level here to the downside, then I'll wait for the retest and take my sell trade back further down to the support area at the 0.93 area. So this 0.955 area is very key for us, and that's where we'll be looking to take our trade from. So either a sell trade from there all the way down, okay, giving us about 100 to 200 pips, or we'll take a buy trade if price gives us a bullish signal from there, giving us about 300 pips to 400 pips. So that is what we'll be looking at for USD CAD. So we just have to be patient for now. Let price get to a significant area where it can give us an indication whether to buy or sell. But I reckon price will get all the way down to the 0.955 area before making any sort of significant move. And finally, in this video, I'm just going to talk about my analysis for USDJPY. And again, we will be starting from the weekly time frame and work our way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that price got down to this support level over here, the 126.5 area, and quickly bounced to the top, moving very bullish with a strong bullish candle all the way to the 135 area. And when price got to the 135 area, price kind of rejected off it to the downside to around the 131.5 area, and then quickly rejected off, forming this lovely pin bar here. You can see this long wick, and this means that there were a lot of buyers around this area. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that price pushed all the way down, broke below this channel, was able to capitalize on this move, thankfully. And when price got down, quickly rejected off it again back to this resistance area at the 135 area. So that's where we are currently. So if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, this is what we'll be looking to capitalize on. If price gives us a bearish reversal pattern, then we'll be looking to take our trades to the downside, giving us this what we can clearly see as a double top pattern, right? But if not, if price breaks this area eventually, especially on the daily time frame, if price ends up closing above this quite strongly, then we will, that's above this area here, I would say, then we will be looking to sell. We will be looking to sell to buy if price breaks this area to the top, and then we'll look for our next significant resistance area. But for now, we just wait and see how price reacts exactly, and then we can take our trades from there. So at the moment, we'll wait for candlesticks to form to give us a clearer picture of what sort of moves to take on GBP, on USDJPY. So at the moment, there isn't any clear sell signal, I would say, and no clear buy signal as well. So if price gives us a clear signal, I would update you in this coming week. So this has been my analysis for these pairs, the USD CAD, USD Swiss franc, and USDJPY. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget